Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G56, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the app streaming feature in the Smart Connect app. Alright, so let's begin. So now, as you can see on my screen, I have my Smart Connect app enabled, and I'm currently connected into our Motorola. Also, when I open up the Smart Connect on my app, I'm also connected. If you don't know how to connect your Motorola into your PC, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. And now we have the activities on our PC and also on our Motorola, and we have the app streaming. So let's open up this feature. In here we have the list of apps that we can use for this feature. So let's say I'll open up the YouTube. Okay, you can see now on my PC that the Google feature appeared, but I think I wanted the YouTube, so let's click on YouTube. Okay, and now as you can see the YouTube has been successfully launched in my PC. And of course it's the app from my Motorola, so I'm streaming the app from my phone into the PC. And as you can see everything works. I can enter the full screen, I can also adjust the size of the window. And for example, when it comes to the scrolling and searching in the YouTube, as you can see everything works. So I have this video that it's playing right now. I'm gonna open up the bigger screen. Also, I'm gonna play it to show you that everything works. Okay, you can also, if you click right in here, you can change the volume and you can change the media output. So now I have selected the my PC, so I can hear the sound on my PC, but if I'll choose the Moto G56, now the sound will be coming from our mobile device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.